Did you know that Dawson Creek is known as the Mile Zero City? It's the starting point of the world-famous Alaska Highway. This humble city, nestled in the northeast corner of British Columbia, Canada, bears a significant title. It stands as Mile Zero, the genesis of the legendary Alaska Highway, a ribbon of road that stretches for over 1,400 miles, all the way to Delta Junction, Alaska. When you think about Dawson Creek, you're stepping into a history book. The city's story is intertwined with the Alaska highways. The highway, once a wartime project, was born out of necessity during the Second World War. It was constructed as a supply route to connect the contiguous United States with Alaska to aid in its defense against potential invasions. The construction of this colossal project brought an influx of workers and development to Dawson Creek, transforming the city almost overnight. But the Alaska Highway isn't just a testament to human tenacity and engineering prowess. It's a lifeline that binds communities together, a thread that weaves through breathtaking landscapes, from the rolling pastures of British Columbia, through the majestic Rocky Mountains to the untamed wilderness of Alaska. And Dawson Creek, the Mile Zero City, is where this remarkable journey begins. It's like the first page of an epic novel, inviting you to delve into a story of adventure, resilience, and the indomitable spirit of exploration. Over the years, Dawson Creek has grown beyond being just the starting point of the Alaska Highway. The city has blossomed, embracing its unique position in history while also carving out its own identity. Dawson Creek today is a vibrant city, a hub of culture and community, a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. So when you're standing at the Mile Zero post in Dawson Creek, remember, you're not just at the start of a road, but at the threshold of a rich, captivating narrative. This historical city offers more than just a starting point. It's a destination filled with rich culture and captivating beauty. Nestled in the heart of the Peace River country, Dawson Creek boasts a landscape that's as rich and varied as its history. The geographical diversity of this region is truly a spectacle to behold. Dawson Creek is cradled by the majestic Peace River, a winding body of water that carves its way through the verdant landscape. This river is more than just a scenic attraction. It's the lifeline of the fertile farmlands that blanket the surrounding terrain. Acres upon acres of golden grain, canola, and other crops paint a mesmerizing tableau against the azure backdrop of the sky. But the Peace River country isn't just about the scenic vistas and rolling farmlands. It's also home to an impressive array of wildlife. Deer and moose roam the countryside, their graceful movements a silent ballet against the rural canvas. Eagles and hawks soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground below. And let's not forget the elusive bear or the playful fox, their appearances often an unexpected delight for the observant visitor. The opportunities for outdoor activities in Dawson Creek are as diverse as the landscape itself. Hiking trails crisscross the region, inviting explorers to venture into the wilderness. The Peace River itself offers a playground for water enthusiasts. Whether it's kayaking down the gentle currents or fishing for the elusive northern pike, there's an adventure waiting around every bend. Winter doesn't dim the allure of this landscape. On the contrary, it adds a new dimension to its beauty. The snow-covered fields become a haven for snowmobiling and cross-country skiing, the crisp air and the crunch of snow underfoot a sensory delight. In Dawson Creek, every season brings with it a new way to engage with the natural world. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the earth and the rhythm of the seasons in every breath you take. The Peace River country is an outdoor enthusiast's paradise, waiting to be discovered. But Dawson Creek is not just about history and nature, it's also a thriving cultural hub. Take a moment and think about a city that not only embraces its past, but also celebrates its present through the lens of art and culture. Dawson Creek, my friends, is such a place. Nestled within this city are cultural institutions that showcase the vibrant spirit of its people and the rich tapestry of its heritage. Let's start with the Dawson Creek Art Gallery. Housed in a grain elevator that's been converted into an art space, this gallery is a testament to the city's creative pulse. It features works from local and regional artists, offering a visually stunning journey through the diverse artistic landscape of the region. And then there's the Alaska Highway House, a museum that tells the story of the Alaska Highway's construction during the Second World War. This place is a treasure trove for history buffs, offering a glimpse into a pivotal moment in Dawson Creek's past. But the city's cultural appeal doesn't end there. Throughout the year, Dawson Creek comes alive with a myriad of festivals and events. From the lively Dawson Creek Fall Fair and Rodeo, a festival that's been a staple of the community since the early 20th century, to the Dawson Creek International Film Festival that showcases films from around the world, there's always something happening in this bustling city. And let's not forget the vibrant performing arts scene. The Kiwanis Performing Arts Center is the city's cultural heart, hosting an array of performances from ballet to theater and everything in between. This city truly is a cultural hub, a place where history, art, and community come together to create a vibrant tapestry of experiences. Each corner of Dawson Creek tells a story, each event is a celebration, and each piece of art is a window into the soul of this incredible city. Whether you're an art lover or a history buff, Dawson Creek has something to keep you engaged. One of the most charming aspects of Dawson Creek is its friendly and welcoming community. There's something undeniably special about Dawson Creek, an aura of warmth that immediately envelops you. This isn't just about the scenic beauty or the cultural richness. It's about the people who call this place home. Dawson Creek's residents are known for their friendly nature and endearing hospitality. They welcome visitors with open arms and warm smiles, making everyone feel like they're part of the community. You'll find this neighborly spirit everywhere you go. Whether you're exploring the local markets, taking a stroll through the city parks, or simply getting lost in the labyrinth of the city's historic streets, you're bound to cross paths with locals ready to greet you with a friendly nod or a hearty hello. Local businesses and restaurants play a significant role in fostering this sense of community. These establishments, often family-owned and operated, provide a warm and inviting atmosphere that is quintessentially Dawson Creek. The proprietors are always eager to share a story, suggest a local delicacy, or simply engage in a casual chat. Whether it's the bakery that's been serving homemade pastries for generations, the cozy bookstore nestled in the corner of a bustling street, or the restaurant that features locally sourced ingredients on its menu, each place has a unique story to tell and a unique experience to offer. Festivals and community events further strengthen the bonds of this close-knit community. These occasions are a testament to the city's unity and camaraderie, where residents and visitors alike gather to celebrate, connect, and create lasting memories. But what truly sets Dawson Creek apart is the genuine warmth of its people. The residents' willingness to go the extra mile to make visitors feel at home is what turns a simple visit into a memorable experience. So, when you're in Dawson Creek, don't be surprised if you find yourself engaged in a friendly conversation with a local, or if you receive an unexpected invitation to a community event. In Dawson Creek, you're not just a visitor, you're a part of the community. So, how about experiencing all that Dawson Creek has to offer? To make the most of your visit, it's essential to plan ahead. So let's dive into some practical tips to help you prepare for your Dawson Creek adventure. Firstly, when should you visit? Dawson Creek is a city for all seasons, but each season brings its own unique charm. If you're a fan of the great outdoors, consider visiting during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is warm and perfect for exploring the city's natural beauty. However, if you're enamored by the magic of winter, then the snowy months from December to February will offer a winter wonderland of sorts, with opportunities for ice fishing and snowmobiling. Next, let's talk about where to stay. Dawson Creek offers a variety of accommodation options to suit every traveler's style and budget. From luxurious hotels and cozy bed and breakfasts to budget-friendly hostels and camping sites, you're sure to find a place that feels like a home away from home. Now, on to the must-see attractions. No visit to Dawson Creek would be complete without a stop at the Mile Zero post, marking the start of the historic Alaska Highway. There's also the Dawson Creek Art Gallery, showcasing local and regional artworks within an iconic grain elevator. For history buffs, the Alaska Highway House offers fascinating insights into the construction of the Alaska Highway. And don't forget about the Walter Wright Pioneer Village, where you can step back in time and experience life in the early 20th century. Remember, Dawson Creek is a city that thrives on community spirit. So take the time to chat with locals, attend community events, and soak up the friendly atmosphere. Dawson Creek is more than a city, it's an experience. So why wait? Start planning your visit today. Dawson Creek, a city that's rich in history, blessed with natural beauty, and home to a friendly community. From the moment we began our journey at Mile Zero, we've uncovered the charm that makes this place a gem of the North. Nestled in the heart of the Peace River country, Dawson Creek offers a tranquil retreat, away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The city's vibrant culture, brimming with art, music, and heritage, is a testament to its spirited community. The welcoming locals, always ready with a friendly smile, make every visitor feel at home. Planning your visit is an exciting endeavor in itself. With so many fantastic sights to see and experiences to enjoy, every day brings a new adventure. Whether it's a peaceful walk through the lush landscapes or a thrilling exploration of the city's rich history, Dawson Creek promises a memorable journey. Discover Dawson Creek, where every visit is a new adventure. Start your journey today.